Look at her head, look.
She's like the heck?
Yeah.
Look at her head. Jordan, her head, she's going like that. Look,
Yeah.
quick. Look, me, look.
Is you scared?
Me.
She don't know what to think about that.
Me.
She is something else. Trying to figure out like what is that noise?
Get closer. Get closer to her. Ow.
Me, look.
It's okay. Play the G string.
I think she likes that better.
It's okay.
It's okay, Maisie.
Help me out. It's okay, Miki. It's okay, Bubba's.
I wanted to take my temperature, but I don't feel like I have a temperature. I don't think I've ever had a temperature before, but I don't remember having a temperature. Anyway, she wanted to do that. I'm wearing my holy sweater so it can get me through this day. My holy sweater. And it's not holy on this side, but it's holy on this side.
Didn't we have 2 thermometers?
So anyway, I'm just enjoying another cup. Well, the first cup of coffee, I ended up throwing most of it away because it just, I don't know, I think I watered it down too much. It just was not that good. And this has a little bit more of a coffee taste. I put instead of the caramel macchiato creamer, I am using the almond joy creamer. So, you know. But we just need some new coffee because I don't know. And then I think I need my southern butter pecan creamer. I don't know, it tastes too sweet. The coffee is tasting a little too sweet to me. But anyway, hubby is gonna bring some vegan sausages and some nuts for me. One of those harvest mix where it has like pecans and all that kind of stuff in there.
Yeah, Joe said that we used to have 2 thermometers and that one stopped working, and now we only got
Are you
1 thermometer
serious?
and that one isn't working. So we don't have any thermometers.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, we don't have any thermometers. I can't believe that. And we've had those since y'all were little, so I guess it's about right. Since they were like little babies. So now it's time to get new thermometers.
I mean, I guess the only way to check would be to do your forehead, but I just washed my hands, so I'm sure you don't
Oh, you're
know
talking
my
about,
hands
no.
or forehead.
But I don't feel hot or anything. Your dad said I didn't have a temperature. Because he felt me the other night. I mean, last night he was feeling me. He was
That doesn't
feeling.
sound good.
Yeah, he was feeling me last night. He said, you ain't got no temperature today. Yeah, that didn't sound too good. Anyway, look at Mink. Look at you. Just sleeping.
Yeah, it was so funny earlier when I was playing. She was like,
Yeah, right? She don't know what to think about the music. Yeah, Jazz was playing.
yeah, I was
violin.
like, and then she's like,
Yeah, I love it. When she's trying to, like,
She's
when
trying
you're
to
talking
think.
to her,
Uh-huh.
and she's, you know, sometimes when I'm talking to her, she'll be like she's trying to figure out, what am I saying?
She's like,
Yeah, she's so cute.
It's like her head literally goes all the way.
Yeah, it really
It's
does.
like-
And I do that too. I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah.